Welcome back, family. It's your brother Blas here. We're going to go more in depth on price action and technical analysis here at the SKILLSART Trading Academy. Let's get started. So like we covered yesterday, we went over support and resistances. Here we have some stuff marked up still. And one thing to take away from this is technical analysis. Technical analysis is based on price action, is based on the charts itself. Fundamental analysis is based on news. So here we are with technical analysis or price action, and we're figuring out which way trends are moving. You find what a trend is by the high and the low points. Okay, so this is a low, this is a high, this is a low, this is a high. A higher low, like this one is higher than this low, and this low is higher than this low, that means it's an uptrend. That's a small bull channel right there. So when people talk about a bull market and a bear market, it just depends on how the animal stands. A bull stands upward, meaning the trend is going upward. That's a bullish trend. And the bear stands down. The bear stands downward. That means it's a downward trend, right? So again, here's the low, here's the high, here's the low, here's a high, a low, a higher low, a higher high. This is the uptrend here. This is what we looked at yesterday. So it broke here yesterday and it retested. Now we have a minor bearish trend forming. Like we said yesterday, would go down, and we said that because of certain indicators, and this is what we're going to go over right now. We also look at candlesticks. These are called candles here.
If you guys want to continue watching this video, subscribe to our website at skillsarts.com. We have more content and exclusive indicators that will help you succeed in the markets. Till next time.